of these reminders. Ito din yung tinake note ko before I go to the examination site. Dapat, you should not be late. The preliminary activities such as registration, yung seating arrangement, meron talaga, mag-start na talaga yan siya before 8. So, in this article, nilagay niya 8, but it depends on the scheduled release by the regional office. Depende kasi sa schedule nila, kasi may by schedule kasi binibigay. Kasi hindi kasi pwede lahat in one time. So, since sobrang rami ng mga aplikante, dinidivide sila into certain number, siguro at least 30 in one, kasi isang room lang ang gagamitin, and then you will be scheduled kung ano yung time ninyo. So,